So today we are making pizza. What kind of pizza are we making?
More cheese and vegetable.
Four cheese, and vegetables. For the ingredients we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a cup of water, and then we add the toppings later, like sauce, cheese, or any other desired topping that you want. Not because coronavirus, but you have to disinfect everything all the time. I have my assistant here. I already put in the two first ingredients, which were 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. But since I'm making 2 pizzas, it's gonna be 4 of vegetable oil. There are 2 more over here. Did you break it?
No.
And for those 2 pizzas, I am going to add 1 full cup of water. One cup, more like a cup and a half. This is organic flour, so I don't know if there's a difference in the baking of it. I'm not a baker, so I'm just following instructions. So this is about 1 cup, and then about a little more than a half, like this. There you go. Now we're gonna mix in those ingredients. So I'll transfer the dough to the counter. I am going to first put a little bit of flour on it so it doesn't stick to it. This is my dough. It's gonna be like a thin crust pizza. So I'm just gonna put it here. Just bring up the edges a little bit. Now we're doing the second ball. So here it is. This was probably going to be better than the first one because now I have a little bit of practice. Yeah, I think if I would have done this earlier, it was going to be more of a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
But we're learning. Right. So we're debating if I should post this or not. Should I? Yeah, maybe I should post it. So much better. They say that practice makes perfect. I mean, this is not perfect, but I guess this one's looking a lot better than the first one. And then we transfer it to the pan. Carefully because I don't want it to break. It to break. Again, carefully because I don't want it to break. Thin crust pizza.
You could do it like they do it on Nailed It, where they just roll
On
it
the
on
way. So it's not gonna matter as much, and I'm gonna put this little piece somewhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on this side so it's more consistent with the rest. It's like patching a pizza. We're patching a pizza. I came up with, maybe not, maybe it's not something new. People patch pizzas all the time, probably. So I'm just rolling the outsides, and again, I'm just like doing what I think it's that I have to do based on the pizzas that I see. Eat. Which one's your favorite pizza?
What do you mean?
Your favorite pizza?
Flavors or toppings?
Toppings. Flavors. I like chocolate pizza. Not the flavor of the dough. But
I like cheese.
you like
Ooh,
cheese?
I like cheese and bacon.
Cheese and bacon. Unfortunately, we don't have bacon. Yay!
Looks a lot better than before.
It's a lot better than the first one. I mean, they kind of look similar.
That one looks a little bit better in the middle.
Anyways, they both have their personalities. So then we proceed to put all the toppings on. First, we put, what do we put first? The sauce. Yeah, where's the pizza sauce? Right there. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, assistant. Ooh, you heard that sound? If you know how to make pizza sauce, I would suggest to make it from scratch because it would probably taste better. I don't know. We're just adding this one. And I'm not going to show the brand because we don't get any money. Just adding a little bit because I don't know how much we're going to need. I'm going to spread this out, and if we need more, then we're gonna use more. Dos pizzas. I think this one needs a little bit more sauce, right?
A little, yeah.
A little bit more sauce. So it's, let's say, coronavirus season. I mean, it's not season. I'm a young person, and maybe I wouldn't get too sick. Maybe I would, but also we have the responsibility to keep our other family members safe. My mom and my dad, they are over like 55. My dad is in the 60s. I think my mom's, I'm not gonna say my mom's age because you should never reveal a woman's age. I think we are kind of good. Oh, and we are not prepared for the... We were not ready to make a pizza. I just put too much sauce in this one. Well, it's gonna be saucy. I'll tell you that. It's gonna be a saucy pizza.
It's gonna be a sassy pizza.
Sassy, saucy pizza. So we don't have like provolone or mozzarella. That's the one that I was looking for. Mozzarella cheese. So we are going to improvise. My assistant is gonna get the cheese. So the 4 cheese one, we're gonna have do a mix of. This is Monterey Jack cheese cheddar cheese, queso blanco, and asadero cheese shredded. Oh my god, so many cheeses. And we're gonna put about the same amount in both because there's more cheese here. There's provolone cheese, and there's this yellow cheese, which I don't know the name of. I'm pretty sure it has a name. But thank you. Next. You got that? Ooh, cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Over here. I mean, that's gonna be the 4 cheese. This one's gonna be the. What's the other one?
Chicken and broccoli.
Do you want to cut something?
Yeah.
Does your mom let you cut stuff? There are some plastic knives that the children can play with and not play.
Why would they play with plastic?
Not play with knives, but you know the plastic knives that they can cut vegetables and stuff? Not that, she just gave me this. We're gonna be right back. When we go, I'm gonna teach her how to cut broccoli. First time. Teaching somebody how to chop broccoli. Cut broccoli. And we're back. Wow, that was super fast, right? Here is the broccoli. And we're gonna put this over here. We have some leftover ground chicken that we're going to add to the pizza with this. It looks like we need a little bit more sauce. And my sister's back there. She just gave me the finger. She had to look like, what are you guys doing here? We are making pizza. Pizza. Do you know what's the name of this cheese?
Gouda.
Gouda. Oh, Gouda. 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 How to keep your kitchen clean. I said that right at the beginning. And then
Look how dirty it is.
this is such a mess. Ta-da! What? You're giving me that face again? So we're gonna add this to the 7 cheese pizza, right? We counted 7 so far. No, not 7.
Wait.
6.
Where are the other
It's gonna be
pizzas?
6 cheese pizza. Thank you. You want a little piece of cheese? Piece of cheese? Piece of cheese?
Yes.
And now we're adding the broccoli to this one. And this one is going to be
Chicken.
chicken broccoli. I like broccoli a lot. Broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables. I eat a lot of vegetables actually. I'm adding this broccoli like it's cheese. I'm so excited. Yes, broccoli, broccoli. Broccoli monster instead of like Cookie Monster. No need to panic, world!
It got dark.
It went dark?
Yeah.
What could we do? I don't know. You're the youngster.
We could take a TikTok break.
TikTok break?
Yeah.
I don't know how to TikTok.
I'll teach you.
Okay, teach me how to TikTok.
3 seconds.
No, I did that already.
I did this. You did this.
Right now we're just took our pizzas out. They've just been in the oven for about how long? Like 10 minutes?
10, yeah.
For about 10 minutes, I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil on the outsides so we get a nice brown toasted edge here on the outside. Oh, you're gonna do the take thing?
Final take.
Final take. With two chopsticks.
With two chopsticks.
Ta-da! Ba, 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 ba. How should we cut it?
You should cut it like straight down.
Foot's ready! Oh my god. Coronavirus! Sorry for that. People, when you cough, cover your mouths. Remember to cover your mouth. Luckily, I have nothing. Thank you very much. This is the first time I do a video like this, right? So, should I say this? Because am I going to be making more videos? I don't know. If you guys want me to make more videos about stuff like this, we can make more videos and we can TikTok more because you showed me how to TikTok. I don't know how good I am, but I was TikToking, if that's how you say it.
Yeah.
You say TikToking? Okay, so if you want us to make more videos, just hit the subscribe button. And what other one? The like button. And comment.